I know, he's brave, right? Oh man, too funny. He must really have some flea action.
He has rabies.
Everything is different in Greece, even the door stopper. How cool is that? Yes, they are everywhere. Even on Santorini. Okay, today's topic is Greek air conditioning. I'm going to show you how this works. It's a little bit different than in the USA. So let me flip the camera around and show you. Okay, there's the air conditioner up on the wall above the door. And here's our room. Here is the remote control for the air conditioner. We will press the button that says power on off. On, the louvers open up and the air starts coming out. If you would like it a little bit stronger, you press the picture of Arnold Schwarzenegger flexing right here. It says powerful and it comes out more powerful. I can feel the breeze from 10 feet away. It's pretty awesome. It cools down this room in about 5 minutes. It puts the lotion on its skin, or else it gets the... It gets the what again?
The hose.
It puts the lotion on its skin, or else it gets the hose again. Sure is purty. Just pick this up. The Conair fabric shaver. Here's the instruction sheet. Here's the unit itself. Takes 2 AA batteries in the bottom here, very simple. And on-off switch right here. And 3 settings. Close, medium, and far on the distance between the blades and the cloth. 1, 2, and 3. These are Samantha's yoga pants, Lululemon, very expensive. This shouldn't happen, I don't think, but it does. This is pilling that happens on the fabric. Let's see if we can remove it. I have it on the 1 setting. Flip it on. Pretty amazing, right? Doesn't damage the cloth. Removes all that pilling. Doesn't damage the cloth, and you can even go over the logo if you had to. It doesn't damage the logo either. Pretty amazing deal. I didn't do it. Really, I didn't do it. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shapenation.com. Have a great shape, have a great day.